Okay, so yung mga questions nga daw, ano ba ang effective ngayon para gumanda yung sales ng isang freelancer, entrepreneur, business owner, sa mga ganung bagay. So, ang talagang trending ngayon para ma-separate mo yung sarili mo, yung content mo sa ibang sa hundreds if not thousands of the same content creators is yung talagang story-based. Unique dapat yung situation mo, unique yung story mo, yung voice mo, yung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo, yun talaga yung kailangan mong i-content o i-produce. Yung nga lang, it's not that simple, pero as long as you're able to do it, you're able to analyze and you're able to put yourself out there with the right content, okay, give value to your clients and customers and viewers, then you can do it. Ngayon, if you have a challenge about that and how to do it, how to execute, and what's the content all about, of course, you can consult with us. We can assist you. It can be a one-time consultation. It could be several para mabuo natin yung strategy mo for 2026. Basta ang importante pa rin, yes, you can be unique and stand out from the rest. As long as you have the strategy, the mission, of course, andun yung vision, and andun yung talagang willingness mo to serve and give value to other people, then yes, you can succeed for your sales, for your business. Yes, you can succeed for 2026, for your business, for your goals, for your aspirations. So if you have any questions, comment down below or you can DM me. Let's talk about your 2026 goals and plans and missions and visions. See ya.